students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching Mathematics of Standard 4th. Here we are going to start chapter number 2, Long and Short, part 1. So, here we are going to start our chapter number 2, Long and Short. So, first of all, what do you mean by long and what do you mean by short? Let's see the examples. So here I'm having one red pencil and one green pencil. Now if you can observe these two pencils, one is longer and the green one is shorter. Now on the basis of what you can describe this as longer or shorter. So you can observe here the red pencil is greater in length as compared to this green one. So ultimately we can say that red one is longer than the green one. So here is another example. This bee is given and the insect is given here. Now we need to see that which one is shorter and which one is longer. So on the basis of their heights we can describe them as shorter and longer. So you can see this insect is longer in size than this bee. So with the help of scale or with the help of their sizes we can distribute them as a longer or as a shorter. So now first we can learn how to describe or how to calculate centimeters or how to draw a line. So everyone has a scale. For measuring any item you need to start from this zero base. Okay, suppose one thing is here. Now you need to measure this thing, so you need to start from 0 on the scale. So you can observe in this diagram this scale started from 0. So we are also measuring any item. If we want in length, then we need to start from this 0. After that you can see this green small lines over here, that is indicate this 10 lines are indicate 10 millimeters, and you can observe this long blue line. This long blue line is indicates the middle one, that means 0 to 1 it indicates 0.5, that means half away, half from 0 and half from 1. So you can see here these two brown line shows 1 centimeter, that means this whole distance is of 1 centimeter, and this blue line indicates half, that means 0.5 centimeter, and the small green light green lines indicates 10 line per centimeter, that means 10 line equals to 1 centimeter. So I am having here one small scale. It indicates it started from 0 to 15, that means this scale indicates 15 centimeter long. So you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 15. Now if you want to calculate this length, then you need to start from this 0. Suppose this item is starting from 0 and it ends to 8, that means this item is of 8 centimeter long. This thing is of 8 centimeter long. Okay, now I am having one another example. With the help of scale, how can you measure an item? I am having here one crayon. Okay, now you need to measure this crayon with the help of this 15 centimeter scale. So we'll start this crayon from 0. You can observe in this diagram that I have started measuring this crayon from 0. Okay, then this crayon is ends on 8, so that means this crayon is of 8 centimeter long. So with the help of scale you can measure different items or different things. Now I'm having here one glass. Now I need to measure its length. Now what should I do? I will start from 0. See, you can see here from 0 to it ends on 14. You can see in this diagram 14. That means this glass is 14 centimeter long. With the help of this scale you can calculate or you can measure the things. So now we understood what is long and what is short and how to use scale. Now in your textbook on right hand side you can see one scale is given here. With the help of this scale you can also measure the things. This scale is 24 centimeter long. So let's start our chapter. How far apart are the dots? Here in this diagram many dots are given and it labeled as A, B, C, D and so on. Now we need to calculate the distance from these dots to each other. For this we need one scale. With the help of that scale we can calculate or we can measure these dots from each other. So suppose first question is, guess the distance between any two dots. How many centimeter is it? Now measure it with the help of a scale. Did you guess right? Now with the help of scale you can calculate the distance between O and B, B and L. So there are so many dots, so you can calculate as per your wish. So here I have the answers of the dots. From A to B is 3 centimeter long. You need to use scale for measuring this distance. A to C 3 centimeter, A to D 4.5 centimeter. With the help of scale this calculation has been done. First you need to calculate by your own, then you need to see your measurement or your guess is right or not with the help of scale. Let's see next question. Which two dots do you think are farthest from each other? Check your answer. Now we can directly calculate this. Like suppose we are taking many examples, like we can calculate D and H, that means D to H. We can also take O to H, then G to K, G to M. The farthest dot we can calculate, we can measure with scale, and after that we need to differentiate that distances and we get the answer that which two dots we think are farthest from each other. So as per my calculation, M and O are the farthest dot from each other. So you can write here M and dot O, they both are farthest from each other. Now let's see next question. Which two dots are nearest to each other? Now we need to find out the nearest dot. Nearest dot means जो सबसे पास हो, like example O and D, then then which one is M, F, K, C, then A and J, B and L. So with the help of this we can calculate the nearest part. After that we need to differentiate all these distances and we need to see our answer. So our nearest dots are D and O. D and O are the nearest dots because its length is 1 centimeter from each other. Children can play this game in pairs, making dots on a plain sheet and asking their partner to guess the distance. This can also be extended to estimating bigger distance on the floor. The border of this chapter should also be used as a scale. That means this border you can use as a scale. Now you people need to draw dots on the blank sheet and you need to calculate or measure the distance by yourself so that you can clearly understood how to calculate distances or how to use this scale. Now let's start next page, the shorter line. The shorter line, what do you mean by short? Short means chota. Akbar was a famous king. He had a smart minister called Birbal. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor. Now here Akbar is a king and Birbal is a smart minister of his kingdom. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. So Akbar is a king and he asked one question to Birbal. Now see how Birbal answered his question. Birbal, here is a line, make it shorter without erasing. Now suppose अकबर ने क्या बोला? अकबर ने बोला दिस इज़ माई लाइन. ओके, अकबर ने बोला ये मेरी लाइन है एंड यू नीड टू शॉर्टर दिस लाइन. दैट मीन्स इस लाइन को क्या करना है? छोटा करना है, बट विदाउट इरेजिंग. दैट मीन्स उसको बिना इरेज करे. नाउ योर लाइन इज शॉर्टर. सी दिस वन इज अकबर, sorry, this one is Akbar and this one is Birbal. So simply what does Birbal do? Birbal ने क्या किया? Simply एक लॉन्ग लाइन ड्रॉ की कंपैरेटिव अकबर ने जो लाइन ड्रॉ की थी उसके कंपैरिजन में उसने क्या किया? लॉन्ग लाइन ड्रॉ की. सो यू कैन सी हियर that which line is shorter? Obviously the upper line. That means the Akbar's line is shorter comparative Birbal's line, because smartly what Birbal has done, Birbal simply increase his length of his line so that ultimately the Akbar's line comes shorter. So you can observe here also, this one is Akbar's line and this one is Birbal's line. Smartly Birbal what he does, he simply draw a longer line than Akbar's line. So Akbar's line become shorter without erasing. Look at the picture and explain how Birbal made Akbar's line shorter. So simply Birbal has made a longer line comparative. Birbal has drawn longer line comparative Akbar's line. That is why Akbar's line is shorter than Birbal's line. Now can you be as smart as Birbal? Make his line shorter without erasing it. Just think, is there any longest line? Now again I am going to draw this one is Akbar's line, and smartly Birbal what he has done, he has make a longer line comparative Akbar's line. Now the textbook has question here that make his line shorter. Now we need to draw a shorter, we need to explain how Birbal's line is shorter than our line. So simply we need to draw a longer line than Birbal's line. So here is Akbar's line, here is a Birbal line, and here is my line. So ultimately my line is greater than these both lines. Let's move ahead. Try this. Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. So here you can observe that make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. Here we can see left arm is given and we need to draw her right arm. So suppose her left arm is 1 centimeter long, then we need to draw 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. So simply we need to draw 2 centimeter long her right arm. Let's see how. So here you can see this arm is already given. Now we need to draw 1 centimeter longer than this arm. So suppose this one is 1 centimeter long, so simply 1 plus 1 equals to 2 centimeter. So the right arm we can draw it as 2 centimeter with the help of scale. So ultimately this one is 1 centimeter and this one is 2 centimeter. So with the help of scale you can draw this. Now question number 2. Draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. Suppose this cup is given here. Okay. Now suppose this cup is of 4 centimeter long. Now we need to short this cup by 1 centimeter. That means we need to subtract 1 centimeter from this cup. So 4 centimeter minus 1 centimeter gives you 3 centimeter. That means suppose this cup is of 4 centimeter. Now we need to draw 3 centimeter long cup. So how we can conclude that this cup is 4 centimeter? Simply we need to take scale and we need to measure this cup. So ultimately we get 4 centimeter long this cup and we need to shorter it by 1 centimeter. So we need to draw 3 centimeter long cup. Let's see next question. Draw a broom half as long as this broom. See here one broom is given, that means jhadu. This broom, draw a broom half as long as broom. That means suppose this broom height is of 6 centimeter long. Suppose with the help of scale we can calculate or we can measure this broom. Suppose this broom is of 6 centimeter long. Now we need to draw a half as long as this broom. Half means we need to divide this 6 with 2. So how we can divide this? 2 3s are 6. So we need to draw 3 centimeter long broom for half as long as this broom. So in this figure you can see this broom, the longer one, and the half of this broom. Suppose this broom's height 6 centimeter long, so the half of this broom is of 3 centimeter. With the help of scale you need to draw in your notebook. Let's see next question. Draw another hair of double the length. So you can observe one face is given here and one hair You can observe in this diagram, suppose this hair is of 1 centimeter long. Now we need to double its length. That means we need to add 1 centimeter more, or you can simply multiply it by 2. So 1 centimeter multiplied by 2 gives you 1 2s are 2. So we need to draw 2 centimeter long hair here with the help of scale. So in this part you had seen that what is long, what is short, how to calculate the distances with the help of scale, and we had calculated the dots, the difference of the dots and distances, the farthest dots, the nearest dots we had calculate. Then we done one activity that you need to do in your notebook. On next page we had seen that the shorter line and longer line, we also draw smartly the longer line, then the Birbal's line, then we draw different centimeter longer distances. Suppose the 1 centimeter longer the arm, then shorter, then again half of the centimeters of this broom, then again the double the length. So with the help of scale we need to draw all these distances or all these centimeter scales.